So in this video we're going to talk about Numpy in Python. So in Python we can create only the single dimensional array using the Python's default array module, and it does not support the 2D or the 3D arrays. So this is the main drawback. So to overcome this drawback we can use the Numpy. So Numpy stands for numerical Python. So here is num and py. So that is the Numpy. Now this is a very powerful Python library, and that is mainly used for numerical computing. So it provides a bunch of tools that we can use to work with the array and the matrices. And here also we have so many different mathematical functions that we can use to operate over them. So to use the Numpy, first of all you have to install that in our IDE. So like an example, here in the VS Code editor we have to open the terminal. So here in the terminal we have to run the command pip install numpy, and it will automatically download the packages and it will install Numpy. So because I have already installed this, so here it is showing already satisfied. So once we're done with the installation, now we can import Numpy. So we can import Numpy and we can start using Numpy. So we can use the Numpy and we can create single dimensional array. So we have to use numpy.array, and here inside we can create one single dimensional array with bunch of numbers, and then of course we can print our array. So now if we run this, so here we have the single dimensional array that we have just created using Numpy. So this way also we can create multi-dimensional array. So we're gonna create array multi. So we have to use numpy dot array. Now here inside we can define the multi-dimensional array. So our array will have 2 rows and 2 columns. So here we have 2 rows and 2 columns, and also we can just print that. So we're gonna print the array multi. So here you can see we have the output. So this is the single dimensional array and this is the 2D array. And also instead of using numpy everywhere whenever we try to create one array, so instead of that we can use one alias name. So we can import this as np or any other name we wanted to give it. Now here instead of using numpy everywhere we can use np. So here we can use np, and also here also we can use np. Now this also works the same way. So if we run this, so you can see we have the same output. So Numpy really works nicely for both the single and the multi-dimensional array. And not just this, the Numpy also simplifies the scientific calculations, and it is very essential for advanced array operations in Python. So hope you understand about Numpy in Python. See you in the next one. Take care.